a bit run down, isn't it? That's the way it is.
And then there's that nice one over there. Appraisal district, that's probably a council. Oh, school advisory centre or something, I wouldn't it? Gosh. Oh, look, that's a nice building as well. Hate Your Pigs, Nails and Spa, Johnny's.
Steakhouse, 3 Heart Steakhouse.
I'm really looking forward to that steak. There's a big skeleton there.
Was there?
On your side, yeah. You
The
missed it.
mural is where that car's just pulled in.
Okay, let's pull in there then. Really?
Yeah, there's the glasses all there.
Where? Oh, yes. Excellent. We'll pull in there. And the mural is...
On the wall.
Oh, that... Wow. Park. In backwards. You can.
I'm going to park over here then.
Oh, of course you can park over there as well. Wow. Amazing.
The glasses are there.
Stretch my legs. It's not like the Bee Gees are not playing music, like you know we went down. Oh, wow.
God knows what it
When
is.
we went down. Oh, another one.
What the hell?
When we went down the Bee Gees and they're playing all the music
Oh, that was good.
in Red Mills.
Redcliffe, yeah.
Redcliffe.